Capital One Venture Rewards pricing explained what you get for your money. The Capital One Venture Rewards card carries an annual fee, but many overlook how much value it delivers. Most people get this wrong. They focus on the fee instead of the X miles earning on every purchase. The surprising truth is that this card is perfect for travelers who want simplicity and flexibility. Cardholders earn X miles on all purchases, with no categories to track. You won't believe how quickly miles add up. Spending 0 per month earns 48, 0 miles annually, which can cover in travel. Miles can be redeemed for travel, statement credits or transferred to partner airlines, giving maximum flexibility. Additional perks include up to credit for global entry or T-Seprechek, travel accident insurance and no foreign transaction fees. New cardholders can earn a bonus of 75 0 miles after spending 0 in the first 3 months, translating to in-travel value. In conclusion, the Capital One Venture Rewards card's annual fee is easily offset by the flat X miles earning rate, generous welcome bonus, and travel-friendly perks. For those who want a straightforward, rewarding travel card, this one delivers excellent value for the money.